Hello and welcome to my channel. Say hi to a happy day. In this channel, I would like to share tales and stories I personally picked and or my kids' favorite book stories. Let's enjoy listening while I read to you a story, The King of the Birds. Every year, all the birds would gather together in a great council to discuss important matters. One year, the birds noted that the humans had a king, and they decided that they too should appoint a ruler. They discussed how to decide which bird should rule them. "The strongest," shouted one bird. "The most beautiful," called another. "The fastest," said a third. With so many suggestions, it was impossible to hear any of the birds' ideas, so they asked Owl, the wisest of birds, to decide. "Whoever can fly the highest will wear the crown," Owl decreed. The birds all flapped their wings excitedly and began taking off, flying higher and higher. But soon each grew tired and returned to earth. Just one huge bird continued up and up. It was Eagle, soaring higher than them all. "Eagle is our queen," the birds all cried in unison. But just then, a small shape emerged from the feathers on Eagle's back. It was Wren. The clever little bird had hatched a lift on Eagle, and now he launched himself, flapping his tiny wings, flying higher still. The birds watched from the ground in confusion as Wren flew just above Eagle. Who should be crowned now? Eagle was undoubtedly the best of flying and the strongest too. After all, she not only flew a great distance, but she also carried the weight of Wren on her back. However, Wren cleverly snuck a lift from Eagle, outwitting all the other birds to reach the highest point in the sky. The two birds landed back in front of the crowd of their fellow birds, with both claiming the crown. Owl stepped forwards to settle the matter. "Wren is our king because he used his brains to fly the highest." The birds cheered Owl's wise decision. Eagle was furious with Wren for his trickery and dashed the tiny bird with her wing. Now Wren can fly no higher than a hawthorn bush, and despite being king of the birds, he spends his time hiding in the hedgerows, just in case Eagle should find him again. The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to the story, The King of the Birds. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to listen to more of our favorite book stories. See you soon!